Bonjour, mes amis. France. Just the name conjures up images of romantic cafes, charming villages, and iconic landmarks. And you know what? It lives up to every bit of that hype. From the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera to the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux, France is a feast for the senses. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or a foodie, France has something magical in store for you. So why is France one of the most visited countries in the world? Well, it's simple. France offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Walk through centuries-old castles, lose yourself in world-class museums, and indulge in delectable pastries at a local boulangerie. Around every corner, you'll find an experience that captures the essence of joie de vivre. Get ready to say oui to adventure, because we're about to embark on a journey through the heart of France. Pack your bags, grab your beret, just kidding, unless you want to, and let's explore. France isn't just about cityscapes. Its natural beauty is equally breathtaking. Imagine fields of lavender blooming under the warm Provençal sun. Provence is a dream for photographers and nature lovers alike. Then there's the French Riviera, a glamorous stretch of coastline. Think sparkling turquoise waters and chic seaside towns. Picture the dramatic cliffs of Normandy or the snow-capped peaks of the French Alps. France has the perfect landscape for you. France is steeped in history, and its past is etched into its very fabric. Walking through Paris, you'll encounter grand boulevards and majestic palaces. Towering cathedrals whisper tales of bygone eras. One can't visit France without paying homage to the Eiffel Tower. Built in 1889, it offers panoramic views of the City of Lights. The majestic Notre Dame Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece. Restoration efforts are underway after the 2019 fire. No trip to France is complete without visiting the Palace of Versailles. This opulent palace is a testament to the grandeur of the French monarchy. From Paris with love. Ah, Paris, the city of lights, the city of love. Paris needs an entire essay or even a book to truly capture its magic. But for now, let's focus on a few must-see sites. The Louvre Museum, housed in a former royal palace, is home to thousands of works of art, including the Mona Lisa. Prepare to be amazed by masterpieces from Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Rembrandt. For a taste of Bohemian Paris, head to Montmartre. This hilltop neighborhood is known for its artistic heritage, charming cafes, and the white-domed Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Get your portrait painted by a street artist, enjoy a coffee at a sidewalk cafe, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. And no visit to Paris is complete without a stroll along the Champs-Élysées. This iconic avenue is lined with luxury boutiques, theatres and cafes, and leads to the Arc de Triomphe, another of Paris's most recognizable landmarks. Take a leisurely walk, window shop, and enjoy the Parisian ambience. Beyond the city lights. France's charm extends far beyond Paris. Venture into the Loire Valley, renowned for its fairy tale castles and vineyards. Visit the Château de Chambord or the Château de Chenonceau. Sample local wines and explore charming villages. History buffs should visit Normandy, pivotal in World War II. Visit the D-Day beaches and the American Cemetery. For a taste of the good life, head to Bordeaux, famous for its wine. Parlez-vous français? While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, knowing a few basic French phrases can enhance your travel experience and impress the locals. Start with bonjour, hello, and merci, thank you, which go a long way in any situation. When asking for directions, use où est, where is, followed by the place you're looking for. And if you need to get someone's attention, a polite s'il vous plaît, please, will suffice. Don't be afraid to practice your French, even if you only know a few words. The French appreciate the effort, and you might even be rewarded with a smile and a très bien. Very good. Remember, language is about communication, and even a simple bonjour can open doors and create connections. So, embrace the opportunity to learn a few basic phrases, and don't be shy about using them. You'll be surprised how much even a little bit of French can enrich your travel experience. Until next time, and there you have it, a glimpse into the magic of France. From its stunning landscapes to its rich history and vibrant culture, France has something to captivate every traveler. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your French adventure today, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my travel adventures. Until next time, bon voyage!